friends, welcome to biology classes. This is your Bhikshapati. Okay, in the last class we have discussed about the mouth, buccal cavity, salivary glands and teeth. How many types of teeth? What are the functions of various types of teeth? All those things we have discussed very clearly. Okay, let's discuss today L.S of Tooth. L.S means longitudinal section. Longitudinal section of the tooth. So whenever we observe the tooth have three major parts. Tooth have three major parts. What are the three major parts? Let us see. Tooth have three major parts. What are they? The first part is crown. First part is crown. The second part is neck. Second part is neck. And the third part is root. Third part is root. Okay? Tooth is divided into three parts. How many parts? Three parts. One is crown. Second is neck. Third is root. The crown is nothing but which is exposing out. So, crown is exposed part. Exposed part. Okay, crown is exposed part. Neck is middle part. Neck is middle part. And the third part is root. The root is embedded in the sockets of the jaw. So, root is fixed part in the socket. Okay now, how many parts are there in the tooth? Three parts. One is crown, second is neck, third is root. Okay now. So crown is exposed part, neck part is middle part, that is covered by the gums. Third part is fixed part, which is present inside the socket of the jawbone. Okay now. So whenever we observe the tooth, most part of the tooth or the bulk part of the tooth is made up of a hard substance which is called as dentine. Okay, so friends, see, most part of tooth made up of hard substance that is called dentine. The dentine is the hard substance. The dentine is secreted by the cells are called odontoblast cells. The dentine is secreted by the cells are called odontoblast cells. The dentine, this is the dentine part. The dentine part is secreted from the cells are called odontoblast cells. The odontoblast cells formed by the mesoderm. Okay now? So when we observe the tooth structure, it is made up of dentine. The dentine is secreted by the cells are called odontoblast cells. Odontoblast cells are formed by the mesodermal layer. Okay now, next one. This dentine is covered by a hardest substance. The dentine is covered by a hardest substance in the body is called enamel. Okay, enamel. The enamel is formed by the cells are called ameloblast cells. What cells? Ameloblast cells. Ameloblast cells. The ameloblast cells are ectodermal in origin. Ectodermal. Ectodermal layer produce the ameloblast cells. Okay now? So, dear friends, the dentine is formed by the cells are called odontoblast cells. The dentine is covered by the enamel. Enamel is the hardest substance in the body. Enamel is the hardest substance in the body. And also, the third part is what, Nana? Root. The root is fixed in the socket of the jaw. Socket is nothing but the jawbone. Jawbone is there, no? In the jawbone, sockets are present. Inside the socket, it is fixed, okay, very deep. It is fixed very deep. So, inside the tooth, a cavity is present. Cavity is present. That cavity is called pulp cavity. What cavity? Pulp cavity. The pulp cavity is filled with a substance is called pulp. Pulp cavity is filled with a substance is called pulp. And what is the second part? Second part is neck. The neck region is covered by the gums. The neck region is covered by the gum. Okay now, gum, it is nothing but a soft tissue. Okay now, so the neck is enclosed by the gum. And this tooth, every tooth is supplied with the blood vessels. Okay now, so here artery, the artery brings the oxygenated blood to the tooth. And veins also present. Artery and vein. The vein collect the deoxygenated blood. Artery supply the oxygenated blood to the tooth. And also a nerve is passed into the tooth. A nerve is passed into the tooth for the sensation. For the sensation. And also, dear students, here the root region, this is the root region. The root region is covered by a membrane is called periodontal membrane. What membrane? Periodontal membrane. Okay, so if this question is given, you must write all these points. Okay, what we have discussed till now. So, tooth is divided into three parts. One exposed part is called crown. Middle part which is covered by gum is called neck. The third part is which is fixed in the sockets of the jaw is called root. Okay now, that socket is also otherwise called alveolus. What do we call? Alveolus. Alveolus. Okay, so this is about the longitudinal section of the tooth. Here, three important points. What are that? The dentine is produced by odontoblast cells. Enamel is produced by ameloblast cells, which are origin in ectodermal. But the odontoblast cells are origin in the mesoderm. mesodermal in origin. And the another one is enamel is the hardest substance in the body than other parts. What is the hardest substance in the body? Enamel, hardest substance is called enamel. So when we smile, the teeth bright, okay, that shine. What is the reason for that? Enamel layer. The dentine part covered with a layer is called enamel. So due to the presence of enamel layer, when we smile, okay, our teeth shine. That because of enamel layer. Okay, I hope you understood well. Thank you. Next part will be continue in the next